How to care for a dog tail cactus. The dog tail cactus is a type of plant that is also sometimes called Pitaya de Tortuga. Its scientific name is Selenicereus testudo. The plant consists of several thick stalks that taper at the end to resemble a dog's tail. These stalks have many spines on them and they can grow up to 10 inches tall. White flowers bloom on the dog tail cactus from midsummer to the early fall. Like many other cacti, the plant is simple to care for. Things you will need: cactus fertilizer. Position the plant so that it gets as much sunlight as possible. The plant favors as much sun as possible and only needs a few hours of shade during the night. Store the plant in an area that will never be below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Depending on the climate, this might require you to bring the plant inside during the winter to avoid frost. Water the plant when the soil feels dry. Water until the soil is damp but not soaked. Water as often as needed to keep the soil damp but not soaking wet, as overwatering will kill the plant. Fertilize the plant with the cactus fertilizer once per month. Use the fertilizer manufacturer's instructions to determine how much to add to the dog tail cactus. Tips: warnings. Store the plant out of the reach of children as the spines can be quite painful.